Hey, what's up soldiers? Yaniv here and welcome to Amazon FBA Bootcamp. Today we're going to talk about how to get around the Chinese New Year. Now, as you guys know, most of the manufacturing in China closes. It pretty much dies completely for the 3 weeks in February. You pretty much can't get anything done from there. You can't get any restocking inventory. You can't talk to any suppliers. Literally nobody's answering. They're on vacation. Everything is closed. So as you can imagine, that's a big problem for a lot of people. A lot of people are left stuck without any inventory, or they're stuck doing their product research for the next 3 weeks because they cannot talk to any manufacturers. So pretty much everything is delayed because China is on New Year. But here's a great alternative to sourcing your products from China. But before we do get into this video, I want you guys to leave a like and I want you guys to comment if you guys would be interested in a live stream. I'm thinking about doing a live stream sometime this week, but I want to know how many of you guys would come and what time works for you and what day works for you. So please leave that down below and I'll take, I guess, the most popular or the one with the most thumbs up and we'll schedule a live stream. Back to the video. So like I was saying, guys, there is actually an alternative to sourcing your products from China. I'm sure most of you guys know, obviously you guys want to, go to China and source from there because the cheapest or it's the only place that you know how to source products from. Now, last video, I showed you guys how you guys can source products from DHgate, but again, it's the same problem. DHgate suppliers are all from China. So that's the big issue now, right? The 3 weeks that nobody can get anything. But here's a quick tip for you guys, not only for Chinese New Year, maybe for all of your sourcing needs. There is actually a way that you can source from other countries such as India, Thailand, Vietnam. Pretty much every country that has some sort of industrial, capabilities can manufacture products for it. Now, obviously still, China is probably going to be the cheapest, but you never know. Sometimes products that you can get from other countries might be better or might be like better quality or might be cheaper or might be cheaper for shipping that you don't even think of. So here's the video that I'm going to show you guys how you guys can source from other countries. So like you can see on your screen right here, what you want to do is type in Alibaba country search directory and it's going to show you all the different channels that Alibaba has. So Alibaba is actually growing. So they're not only, keeping their suppliers in China, they're trying to grow their distribution network and kind of get suppliers from all over the world. So they have places like India, Bangladesh, Pakistan, Japan, Vietnam, Thailand. These are the main ones in Asia. Obviously in Asia, they have the biggest capabilities for manufacturing. There are also, the smaller ones, Indonesia, Australia, all the ones that you can see here at the bottom. So I opened up the main ones. India, again, it's all in English, guys. So it's all for the Western world to actually buy from there. So there's an Indian channel, there's a Vietnam channel, there's a Thailand channel, and they all work pretty much the same like the Chinese one. Now, again, obviously the ones from China probably will be the cheapest, but it never hurts to shop around and see if you can find a manufacturer with, a lower price or better quality or something along those lines. It's always worth it to shop around in your manufacturing. Now, again, because it is Alibaba, you don't have to be worried about, getting scammed or anything like that. They obviously have their protections put in place for that kind of stuff. Also, there are a lot more places you can go to. So there's not only Asia, there's Americas. So you can source your stuff from like the United States or Canada or someplace like that if you want to find like let's say local manufacturing and suppliers if you're from there. Or there's European, Middle East, guys, there's Africa. There's so many different channels now that Alibaba is coming out with that you can actually source your products from there as well. Obviously, the main point of this whole video and what I'm trying to get across to you guys is that even during Chinese New Year's, you can actually source your products from other channels on Alibaba. Just because China is off doesn't mean that, there aren't other places that are manufacturing also. So if you do have a product, you really know what you want to do and you can't wait to get started, I would suggest go on to this search directory. So, shop around, find the best price. Obviously, I'd say probably stay in Asia because that's where it's going to be the cheapest, but really just shop around and see exactly where you can get your product sourced. And if the price is like pretty close to what you're going to get in China anyways, maybe just buy it from another country. Who cares if it's from China or not? If the price is the same, the quality is the same, the manufacturer is, trustworthy, then why not just, get it from that country? Also, you're gonna have a lot more leverage room with working with another country because most people have, they get their stuff from China. They don't even look anywhere else. So, China has some sort of leverage there too, where they can be like, okay, I don't want to work with this person because they're either, wanting too low a price or, China has the option to not, or like Chinese manufacturers rather have the option to not work with you if they don't want to. These other sales channels, these other manufacturing countries, they might not have as much choice with who they're working with, and they might have to give you a better price or take lower profits just because there's not that many people shopping from them. So that's the quick video for today. I hope you guys did enjoy this video. It's a little bit shorter than usual, but I hope it did help you guys out. If you did like it, again, leave a like, comment on when you want that live stream to happen, and we'll set it up for you guys, and I'll let you know in advance. Don't worry. Don't forget to subscribe. A lot more great stuff coming in the future, a lot more videos, a lot more live streams. videos every single day now, so check back in tomorrow for another video. And remember guys, we still have that giveaway going, that 100 subscriber giveaway. Just so you guys know, the winner will be announced sometime next week. It is going to be random, so when the winner is announced, I will put out an announcement video obviously on the channel, so stay tuned for that one. So if you guys want to get notified when that happens, click the notification bell next to the subscribe button, hit the subscribe button while you're at it as well. And that's it guys, remember, you're only one product away.